If you find yourself in need of a car loan in Washington, but for whatever reason you do not currently have a credit history, there may still be a way for you to secure an auto loan. For the most part, people with no credit history tend to be teenagers or younger individuals who just haven't had the opportunity to develop a reasonable amount of credit. Further than this, there are still some people who are well into their 20s and 30s that have not established any substantial personal credit. That being said, there are plenty of possibilities for these people. For someone seeking car loans in the state of Washington in order to purchase a new or used car, an employer reference letter can help. In this letter, you'll want to include the amount of time you have been employed. The longer your employment, the better your chances are of the reference letter helping you get a car loan with lacking credit history. It's important to remember to include your current gross and net income in your letter. You may want to consider preparing a personal payment history to further prove your reliability. This history should consist of any and all bill payments that you make on a monthly basis that are not reported to any type of credit reporting agencies. Further, if you're renting your home or apartment, speak with your landlord and request a letter indicating your payment history and stating that you make all your rent payments on time every month. Have them include a phone number that someone can use to call and verify. If you can think of any accounts that you have with local retailers and smaller accounts that you make monthly payments on, may also help you snag the auto loan you need. Letters of reference, again, can do nothing but help. If you've made your payments on time and have a solid payment record, ask for a reference letter. Do you have a checking account? If you do and it has been established for a decent amount of time, you may want to consider having your car payment directly debited from your checking account to the lending company based off the payment period. Your Washington auto loan provider, frankly, creditors in general, will love direct deposits. It sends a message to them that you are serious about paying your bills on time and in full. Do not be afraid to breach this conversation with your Washington creditor. Finally, when shopping for your car, be sure that you visit online sites or go to dealerships that specifically offer credit for the first-time buyer. Doing so should help expedite the process of receiving your Washington car loan. FederalAutoLoan.com can help you get the auto loan in Washington you need. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.